Good morning, everyone. It is currently 7:29 right now, Eastern Daylight Time, and just around 30 minutes ago, I was really woken up on the weather radio. See, I go over to it. I see it has this red warning light. I see it has the red warning light turned on. I press this down button to see if there's any messages. Severe thunderstorm warning. And yeah, apparently I missed the EAS alerts that happened, that they relayed over the radio at 6 something. I don't know when they relayed it, but yeah, sadly I missed the alert, so yeah, that's it.